Let's start off by just defining what responsive website design is. Responsive websites respond to their environment. Responsive web design is basically a technique that allows web designers to create flexible web pages and layouts that change depending on the screen size of the site visitor. This allows us to optimize the user experience for the increasingly variable ways that people are accessing the web. Currently, there's a huge push for people to be accessing the web via mobile devices like smartphones or tablets, and then we have more traditional ways of accessing the web like laptops and desktop computers, and then people are also accessing the web through their television. This leads to a huge plethora of screen sizes and resolutions and different ways that people can view a website. We want the website to best suit the needs of all of these users, and because the screen sizes are going to vary so drastically, that's something that we really want to do to ensure that everyone is getting the best experience on your website. A responsive web design is not just a single piece of technology, but it's a collection of techniques and ideas, and we're going to be exploring those as we go through this course. The main premise is to create a website that is adaptive. It's going to have multiple fixed width layouts, or one that is responsive, which will have multiple fluid width layouts. Or you could try some sort of mixed approach. Fixed width for large and medium screens, and then fluid widths for small screens. And if you look at the web page that I have here, if I resize my browser window, you can see that the content flows, and at certain points in the resize process, certain things actually leave the screen and then come back. You can also see that the main graphic image of the different types of devices that may be viewing a web page is growing and shrinking as I make the web page smaller and or larger. So these are all different techniques that we're going to be exploring as we learn a little bit more about how we can create responsive web designs.